Hello, how are you? How are you? Since I enjoyed the last one, I'm going to try this one. It's a club, Mcvitie's. So that's the product, and I'm hoping I've made an introduction, a new one. If I've not, I've not. And this is the introduction. Hello! How are you? How are you? Isn't it weird? I'm wearing a white t-shirt. It seems my beard's a little bit... yeah, disappeared there. Disappeared there. Anyway, yes. That's it. It's a Mcvitie's club. Classically known as something in a British lunchbox. You would have the Mcvitie's or Penguin. Sometimes a Kit Kat. But I would suggest if you're making your kids, husband, wife, partner, anything you know, as far as a lunchbox goes, stick a Mcvitie's because it's a British company as far as I know. So you know, keep the business local, keep the business local, make the local businesses successful. So because I enjoyed the orange flavour so much, let's give the mint one. Guess how much it cost me? Are you guessing? You're guessing? It was £1. Cost me £1. £1 for 7 bars. It's not bad, not bad. I think since buying this, it may have gone up. It may have gone up to £1.50. But have a check anyway. Have a check. Dry cough. On and off I'm having it. On and off I'm having it. I don't know why. I don't know why. And maybe I need to drink a lot more water. So milk chocolate covered in crunchy biscuits with mint flavoured cream. So it says, is it suitable for vegetarians? The big question for all my subscribers who are vegetarians, vegans. Oh yes! Subscribe, like, share, comment amongst your friends. Everywhere, get it out there, get it out there. So, it is vegetarian. Vegetarian, so it's vegetarian. And yes, so if you're a vegetarian, you could enjoy yourself. Is it vegan? I would probably say not, because of the cream, because of the chocolate. Chocolate's probably milk chocolate. So that's your answer. Let's open this up. There we are. Oh, as soon as you open it up, that burst of a scent of chocolate, mint chocolate. Lovely, lovely. That's it. That's what you get. The house across the road sticking in some double glazing, but they're sticking to the normal white frame, which is a bit boring. I mean, that's been around, what, 3 decades now. A bit boring, but I suppose whatever. Yes, so that's what it is. It looks like it's got a foil layer around it, but as I know from my previous experiences with Mcvitie's, it's paper on the inside, foil on the outside. Maybe if it was foil on both in and outside, it'd keep it that little bit fresh. But the question is, does it need to be in a climate like England, where it's in general cold all the time? Question to be asked. Question to be asked. Anyway, let's pop this open. like I said, paper. And let's take a bite into this. Like the orange flavour, like the orange biscuit, the Mcvitie'S orange biscuit. It's got a thick layer of, decently thick layer of chocolate mint in this sense, but it's not, as I've just been told, as it wasn't with the orange flavour either. It's the layer there, the white layer. Do you notice that? The white layer at the top. Well, that white layer at the top is the mint. I'm presuming now that white layer at the top is probably orange flavouring with the orange bars, and the rest of them so on. And the chocolate is just chocolate flavouring, which is interesting, because I was presuming at the time that with the orange flavouring it was a chocolate orange. I wasn't thinking it was a cream in the middle, middle top-ish, same as here, the middle top-ish. I'm not realising, now I've realised it's the mint, not the chocolate itself, which is interesting, because then you're creating them all the same, apart from that last step, in the sense where you're adding the mint or the orange or whatever flavour, and then the chocolate around it. Good crunch to it, good decent size, good chocolate. Not such a huge bar, but what do you expect when you get 7 for £1? It's alright, it's alright. Yeah, it's alright. What's it like compared to the orange flavour? I would prefer the orange. I think it's a step above. I think the mint's alright. It takes it in an interesting direction, but I think orange and chocolate have a better balance. Now with this and a cup of tea, it tastes odd. I would feel it would taste slightly a bit different. Whereas if this was with if orange with a cup of tea, orange Mcvitie'S with a cup of tea, that would work a lot better as well. So it's got more versatility, whereas this I think is only goes to a certain extent. I don't feel it would be right to have it with a cup of tea. It just, the flavours would be off, so I don't think it would work. Oh, there you are. Well, I was having a nacho there. A bit of a rant. A bit of a going on there. Some of the chocolate melted. So be careful once it's out, especially in the summer. It might do a little bit of a cheeky melt, and you might lose some of that flavour, because you don't want to be wasting any of the chocolate. Yeah, it was alright. It wasn't bad. You know, compared with the mint, its brother, the mint penguin, in par with each other. I think I might slightly prefer that over this. Compared to the orange, I prefer the orange over this, so it's not particularly a big hitter, but it's alright, it's not bad. I'm not saying I've lost my quid. It was an experience, and I've eaten worse snails. I've eaten worse, so why not? It is what it is. Thank you for watching. Thank you for taking that time to watch. You know, time's an important thing. It's a precious thing, and you spent it watching my videos, which I do appreciate. I do appreciate very much. Anyway, do subscribe, like, share, comment, and you know what? Share it with your friends. Get more people subscribing. Let's get this building up. Toodaloo for now. Bye. See you later. Take care. Bye.